To edit your Google business listing, type in your business name into Google search, and you'll see your Google business profile on the right hand side, and on the left hand side you can click Edit Profile, and here you will be able to edit all of the information about your business. To edit your Google business profile on your phone, you can do that through search by going to Google, typing in your business name, and then clicking Edit Profile. You will then see options on all of the information that you have the ability to edit. Or in Google Maps, go to the avatar, click on your business profile, and from here, click on Edit Profile. And here you will see all the choices for editing your profile.